Greeting Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can change the size right here on this Microsoft Word document. Yes, the document size. You're working on the document, but definitely you want to change the document size. How do you do that? Right, you come right to the page layout. Some of you might say layout alone. It's upon the version. Notice when I click on it, notice what you see come up here, margin, right here, orientation, size. So we're going to click right to up into a slide. You notice it's a letter. Right, if you notice you have legal size, you have table size right here, statement, executive, A3, A4 and all that. Right, so definitely if I click on legal size, you notice it actually changed. If I come back right here and I click on A4, you notice the document change. If I come back right here and I click on letter size, you notice it actually change. So this is exactly how you can actually change size of the document right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.